What if I told you that one simple drink could boost your energy, clear your skin, help you lose weight, and even improve digestion all before 8 a.m.? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Let me show you the powerful benefits of drinking honey lemon water every morning. Welcome to WellvibeX, your go-to place for natural remedies and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing health content. Boosts digestion naturally. Drinking warm honey lemon water on an empty stomach helps stimulate your digestive system. It encourages the production of stomach acid and bile, which means your body is better prepared to digest food throughout the day. Supports weight loss. Lemon is rich in pectin fiber, which can help reduce hunger cravings. Combine that with honey's natural sweetness, and you've got a drink that curbs appetite and helps you avoid unhealthy snacking. Flushes out toxins. Lemon acts as a natural detoxifier. It helps your liver function more efficiently and flushes out harmful toxins. When paired with warm water, it's like giving your body a gentle cleanse every morning. Gives you glowing skin. The vitamin C in lemon helps fight free radicals and promotes collagen production, giving your skin that healthy, natural glow. Honey adds antibacterial properties that support clearer skin from the inside out. Boosts immunity. With antibacterial honey and vitamin C-rich lemon, your immune system gets a daily boost. It's a natural shield against colds and infections, especially during seasonal changes. For best results, use fresh lemon juice and raw, organic honey. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in warm water. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach every morning. Have you tried honey lemon water in the morning? Let us know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to WellvibeX for more natural health remedies every week. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay natural.